It is 11:30 right now, and for breakfast I'm having just egg. That's 2 egg whites and 1 egg yolk, and it is hot right now. I'm sweating, but yeah. Hey.
Okay, I'm in my vlog already.
Why are you ending your vlog? We're vlogging each other.
Not to end my part.
You see that?
But I'm here now.
Hi guys. For those of you, for our viewers, since we actually have viewers now.
How many people watch?
My brother, my cousins, and little Anton. But yeah, I'm about to go work out. How about you? Shut up.
Go work out too.
Yeah, so.
Go ahead.
Okay, say bye. Bye bye. Just finished working out. Tired as hell. I was like dying I was on the treadmill. I couldn't even run half a mile. I didn't even run. I walked and ran. And I did my legs and back. And I could barely breathe. I'm just in my room. And look at all that shit I have to clean. Ew. Yes. Smile. Yeah, nice teeth. Nice teeth. But what? The gripes. Yeah, I'm just such a fun summer now that I'm home. Stuck with this guy. And have to clean my room. And I have nothing else to do besides work out. I have to paint my toenails too. Yeah, I know we're not gonna run. Look at an ant bit me last night when I was trying to look at the fireworks. Look at that. Ouch, that hurt. But yeah. Okay. Shout out to Jay for giving me a brand new adapter, and we're about to go eat your fish right now for Sinigang. So Tita Ami and Tita Ray and Kay came over. They brought us some lovely yema. And I guess I'm FaceTiming with this upside down beast. Hi! What, Mom? Okay. Go get my mom some water real quick. Hold on, Yai.
Okay.
Oh, what? My mom likes to drink hers from a straw. Ow.
I'm in.
You can't hide from me, Kay. I heard you. You already heard it. I was like, really? This little boob is sleeping over. Say hi to my vlog. Hello. But yeah. Hey there, little fella. Yeah, you're dead, motherfucker. Open your